G'day, I'm Hayden Ritchie from Husqvarna, New Zealand, and today we're at Ohomai Polytechnic in Tauranga, New Zealand, where we're going to be meeting one of our great friends, Emma Kunak, and her team from Girls on Grass Limited. Girls on Grass specialise in all things gardening and commercial property maintenance. Emma and the campus facility manager came up with a great solution for the Polytech, which is now home to the largest install of robotic lawnmowers in New Zealand. Not only are there 14 Husqvarna Automowers on site, there's a huge array of Husqvarna professional battery gear as well. Let's meet Emma and the team and take a look around.
Hi, I'm Emma, owner of Girls on Grass Limited. We specialise in everything gardening and commercial grounds care. We've been going for 14 years, started in 2008. We originally started in Whakatane, now we're also in Taupo and Tauranga. We've chosen battery products for Girls on Grass for the reason of health and safety initially. They're lighter, they're quieter, we're not lugging around petrol all the time. Staff are less fatigued, they can work longer with these machines. It was just a no-brainer. Currently at Ohomai Windermere Campus, we have 14 Automowers. They mow every day. We put them out of their little lock boxes in the morning and lock them away at night. The mowers mow rain, hail or shine, and they never have a day off. We can monitor them from anywhere in the country. If anything goes wrong, we get an instant notification. The Husqvarna all-wheel drive Automowers have provided an amazing solution for the steep, hard-to-mow areas. The mowers even cross paths when needed and mow right up to the edges. The second reason we use robotics for Girls on Grass is the sustainability factor. We are now 95% down on emissions. We save 5,000 litres of fuel a year, 500 tonnes to refuge a year, as well as winning contracts solely because of the robotic lawnmowers. We've chosen the Husqvarna brand because they have a full range of the products that we need for our business. From chainsaws to robotic lawnmowers to hedge trimmers, it's a one-stop shop. They always exceed our expectations. The after service is fantastic. I deal with 3 stores, they're all really knowledgeable, and because we're now 100% battery, our servicing costs have reduced by 80%. The quality of finish that the Automowers have is second to none. You cannot beat it. These lawns are perfect all the time. We're not waiting for them to grow to mow them. We cannot beat the service.